Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use your own voice in Suno AI. Alright, let's begin. First, go to suno.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on Create to open the project workspace. On this page, select the audio feature. Here, you can either upload an existing file from your device or record fresh audio directly. Let's select Record. Tap the microphone icon and start recording your voice or song. Once done, click Upload File and the audio will process for a few moments. When it's ready, rename your file and click Continue. Your recording will now appear in your song list. To use it, select Extend, then add your lyrics, music style, and title. After customizing everything, you can generate your final audio using your own voice. So that's basically how you can use your own voice in Suno AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.